In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Zebronics Wi-Fi driver. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website and you want to scroll down to the very bottom over here, and then you'll be able to see there's a bunch of different things, and then under support, it's going to say driver downloads here in the middle. So just click on that. And when you are here on that page, there's going to be a bunch of different drivers. Now, of course, first you'll have to find the one you have to download. Usually they have WF in them. So as you can see, for example, the subcategory is basically the model. So if you've bought any of these, you can find it like that. Or of course, just type in the model and you'll be able to find the driver. So for example, let's say I wanted this ZEB USB 150WF. So let's say this is the one. I can just go ahead and click on download over here, and it's going to start downloading for me on my computer. Now I'm going to cancel this because I have it downloaded already. And when you do that, you'll be able to see that inside the downloads folder, you'll now have your zipped folder. So to unzip it, click on it and then right click and click on extract all, and then extract, and this is going to basically extract your folder over here. And then you wanna open it up here. So actually the extracted one, double click on it, and in here it's gonna say Wi-Fi, double click again, and you can see there's a bunch of different folders, and just select the one that's relevant for you. So for example, if you have Windows, you can open that up, and in here there's gonna be your driver. So you can then install that and proceed on to your installation process. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.